Spectra tutorial, the best WordPress builder. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys everything that you need to know about site building with Spectra on WordPress. Now we all know how difficult it might seem sometimes to build a site on WordPress, but all of that can be made so much more easier with Spectra. Spectra is an amazing plugin available on WordPress that allows you to build your website in a really simple and easy way. You can see that it works with the default WordPress editor. It's super secure, fast, stable, and uses the native WordPress interface. It helps you in choosing templates from their own template gallery, which you can then customize and personalize and make your own. So let's get started with Spectra. To get started with Spectra, all you have to do is head on over to your WordPress site. Then you're going to click on plugins and then click on add new plugin. Once you do that, you're going to click on search plugin and you are going to search for Spectra over here. Once you search for Spectra, you will see it on the left. It's by Brainstorm Force and this is the plugin. Click on install now and it only takes a couple of seconds for the installation to be completed. Once the installation is completed, you're going to move towards the activation of the plugin. So you can just go into installed plugins and you will now see Spectra over here. Click on activate over here to activate the Spectra plugin. And once you do that, the Spectra plugin will now be activated. You will see a simple dashboard. Then you have a section for you to build blocks and extensions using Spectra. You also have a pop-up builder, AI features, and a simple settings panel to manage the Spectra plugin. Now let's get started with building our first page using Spectra. We're going to go on ahead and go into our basic dashboard on Spectra. And from here, you're going to click on create new page. And once you do that, this will build a new page that you can start building using Spectra. Now, with Spectra, you don't have to necessarily leave the complete, a WordPress template behind. Instead, you have some amazing templates that you can use. I want to build a business about section, so I'm going to go with this about pattern. And from here, we can proceed with our Spectra editor. You will see it looks slightly different on the left where you can add containers, headings, images, icons, buttons, info boxes, and call to actions. You can also see you have other elements that you can include in your quick action bar. And you will see in blue certain elements that you can include over here as well. Now on the top right, you will have the option for your Spectra page settings, and you can add custom CSS as well. You can also click on the Spectra design library to design a element or section as it is designed with the multiple templates available on Spectra. You can also code your styles with different colors, so you can choose out the color you would prefer. Let's say I want to look for a call to action area. If I want to find different pages, I have different page templates as well. So I am going to insert this template and you can access their design library by upgrading on Spectra. Now I'm going to do a simple edit. So we're going to go on ahead, add a heading over here. We're going to drag this up. So we can just hold it and drag it up like this. We're going to type in our own text, which is going to be about us. And then I'm going to write the rest of the paragraph. So let's say this is going to be our journey started as a trial and error or runway modeled, etc., etc. Whatever you want to write, you can write that. And then just click on Save Draft once you have completed your editing. Now, this is just an entirely new page, which can be difficult to design for certain people. And if you don't want to design entire pages with Spectra, you even can create simple blocks and sections. So you will see you have live demos available for all of these sections as well. And for that, what you're going to do is you can just click on Visit Site. And then once you click on Visit Site, you can just click on Edit Site And once you click on Edit Site, even with the default WordPress editor, you are going to see a simple editor like so. You have different templates. We're just going to close those up. We're going to go ahead, open this up, click on the plus icon, and then you will see these elements that you can include that are powered by Spectra. So things such as simple containers that can help you in building columns. So I'm going to remove this short code. And we have this simple container now. Then I can go back, click on the plus icon, go into blocks, and then let's say I want to include an incline notice. I can add that over here. Then I can add the notice title. We are in progress. And then we can type in, whatever notification we want to type in. And all of these are some amazing pre-made blocks that you can utilize with Spectra that you don't have to manually build every time. You also have things like block coats, so you can add those over here. Let's say this is a fashion blog, so I probably want to include something related to fashion, so we can include any type of quotation that we like. I just removed that by accident. I'm going to have to re-add that. From the Spectra tab, we also have price lists, separators, star ratings, taxonomy lists, tabs, table of contents. All of these are features that you normally would not find with using the simple WordPress site editor. So let's elevate our homepage a little, and I'm going to remove these empty sections, and then I'm going to include a quotation over here. So we're going to remove this image, remove all the extra sections that we have on our site. So all of this can go like so. And I'm just deleting that. And now we're just going to be using Spectra completely. So we're going to go ahead and first I will add a image. Once I do that, I can click on upload and upload an image like so. Now it's time to go ahead and click on over here, scroll down, and I have a simple heading section I want to add. So we are just going to add our heading over here. Is going to be fashion and more like this. Then below that, if I want to add another section, just simply repeat the same process over and over again, and then just click on save from the top right, and just like that, your simple site editing with Spectra has now been completed. Now, to get started with Spectra, you can get started for free, and then after that, you can choose to upgrade to Spectra Pro. And with Spectra Pro, you have features such as their custom blocks, extension, and premium support for a better experience. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.